Hi friends, today we are visiting the cherry vision company to see and understand how they're processing the cherry fruits which we are getting in the market. Once we enter inside the factory, initially they have given this kind of cap and press overcoat to maintain the hygiene. In this factory, I have observed majority of work is done by the robots. You could see in this video. So the man work is very minimal here. Cherry Vision is a company which is the major provider for the cherry fruits in the entire Europe. There some of the clients are Mercadona, Aldi, Lidl, and many. As I mentioned earlier, we have opted for the guided tour. So they have assigned this associate to explain us that how the Cherry Vision company works since they collecting the cherry fruits from the farmer to until it reaches the packing of the each respective companies. Initially, we thought that one she is a tour guide or maybe like she is working one of the associate there. But later we come to know that one she is the manager in that company. As there are some people who speaks only Spanish and some people who speaks only English. So that's the reason she is explaining very patiently, very clearly to everyone in both languages, English and Spanish.
La pregunta es cómo pasamos el poder ir a respetar inicialmente con un poquito allí, con individualizar, con lo que teníamos antes de los socios, muy pequeñitos que te traen 30 kilos al día. This is what we do to try to pay the farmers because as we were saying, they are so small that it would be impossible for us because the machines are so big and we need big machines because we have big volume. So we have here these small machines that are mini copies of the other ones. And here we take a sample of when the farmers go to the cooperative to handle their case. The farmer wants to claim because they don't agree with the result, so they can come and see in the computer how their sample was analyzed. And then with all the results, you get you get a result, and then depending on what you have got, you get a price for your fruit. And it's a way we have like to make farmers want to grow better quality, pick up. It's like a person taking this and putting it here in the box. But now this woman is actually like and putting inside the poner la fecha de consumo. Y esto llama, por eso te digo que la picota, por ejemplo, llama menos la atención visualmente que esta. Por eso no pude haber.
We are done with the tour. We came outside. Here we could see the bird nets